I bet you didn't know this. You can now remove Flow Watermark from your image or videos without any stress. Having this big Flow watermark on your video or images has been a big issue. It makes your video looks unprofessional. And I have gotten a lot of requests to do a video on how to remove it. So in this video, I will show you a simple method. Go to your Flow account and tap here. Then you can decide either to keep the watermark on or off. Now let's test it out and see if it works. I will input a test and send it. And just like that, no watermark again.
Did you people hear? Our quiet little tailor, Kemi, says she's making the wedding dress. Which wedding? The Okoye wedding, the one every television station is coming to cover.
As you and your proud husband step leg inside there to pack in, make that whole duplex collapse on top of una head. Sleep inside your grave.